In this video, we're going to be going over el tirador, armonía, son jalisciense. Couple in the other videos, make sure you look at the first son rhythms on how to first properly play sones. This video is just strictly going to be going over the music of el tirador. So it's going to start with the beginning. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1. Here now we're going to play the intermedio. Keep in mind of the same 8 notes, they're paired differently, so that means you're going to get a different syncopation. Down, down, up, down, down, up, and here's down, up, down, up, down, up. We will have one contratiempo, which is 45 and 37. That's where you're going to do the down, down, up, del caballito rhythm. Starting with intermedio 25. 1, 2, 3. And then if we were to end the song, we will be going down to 49. The song does repeat about 3 times. So by the third time, you'll be going down to measure 49, which is 1, 2, 3. That's something the melodies play to distinguish that the song is going to end. There it is.